everyone, welcome to this new course on Scratch programming. Scratch is block-based visual programming language. So what does this exactly mean? The blocks of code are already provided and we just have to drag and drop them into the workspace in order to execute the code. For this, we would first need a Scratch account. To create one, you can visit the official Scratch website, scratch.mit.edu. Click on the Join Scratch button. Fill in your username. Make sure you type a unique username. Choose a password and enter the same. Click Next when done. Here, enter the country you live in. Next, enter your birth month and year. Finally, you will have to enter your email. And we have a Scratch account ready. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is confirm your email. You might have received an email from Scratch. Just click on the Confirm Email button. This is optional for now, but you will need it when you want to share your projects. Now let us create a new project by clicking here. This will take a few seconds. You can now change your preferred language from here. You can also view your profile here. You can also rename your project with a name you want. On the right hand side is the output area, on which you will see your code execution. In the middle here is the workspace in which you can drop these blocks and form a code. The blocks that we need are categorized according to their working. For example, motion. Motion has blocks that perform any task of movements like move 10 steps, etc. Coming to the most important topic of Scratch, sprites. These are like objects. For example, this cat. You can treat it like an object and perform various tasks on it, like moving the cat for 10 steps, gliding it to a random position. So you just make sure your cat sprite is selected and drag the block. To check if it executes, just click on the block. Oh, it does. You can also rename the sprite. Set its visibility, position it according to the XY coordinates, set its direction for movement, and set its size. For selecting a sprite, click here and select one. For selecting a backdrop, click here and follow the same procedure. And that was the intro, guys. Stay tuned.